Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to try out our new stickers that have just launched in our Etsy shop at Periwinkle Planner Co. on Etsy. And I wanted to see if they'd fit in the Skinny Mini. I had made them for myself for my 7x9 Erin Condren planner. I think we're losing the photo here, hold on. There we go. For my 7x9 Erin Condren planner, which is the same size as like a Happy Planner Classic. I'm having a little technical issues. Oh my! And someone said that they wondered how the stickers would work in a Skinny Mini. So since I just came out with my own Skinny Mini, I thought I'd do a little plan with me. Now we know that I don't use a Skinny Mini Happy Planner, so I'm going to take my plans from the week coming up for what would that be? August, let's see here. I'll tell you, August 5th through the 11th. Having a little bit of technical difficulty. Oh, keep losing my picture here. There we go. I also have the August in here, and then I have the week of August. So if we go to August, cute little divider, the little envelopes with the flowers in it. See if we're still filming okay. Yeah. And so we have the month, and then we have the week. Now, one thing I don't think that people understand in my listings is that the months are fully dated, but the weeks have just the names of the week, the Monday through Sunday, and then there are little stickers that you can buy. These are a little bit different than the ones I have listed, I think. I have the ones that are just the sheets of the numbers. Mine are all used here. So I can't really show you. Yeah, maybe this will look a little better. But they have the little numbers, so it's really easy. Obviously, you don't need this, but the sheet that's for sale have enough for 12 months. So it'd be enough for a full year of planning. And if you happen to purchase these weeks, the digital ones, it comes with them. If you purchase if you purchase the printed ones and mention that you saw this in my YouTube video, mention, how about we have the secret word is Mac. If you say Mac in the description or in a message on Etsy, I will give you a free sheet of stickers. But it's just so simple to, take them off of here. Let's go use this one since I've used it, and they just stick right on here, right next to the day of the week, and it works really nice. Just like so. And you're putting stickers on your page anyway, so what's the big deal about adding this? I mean, you could write them too, real simple, but I like stickers, so I'm of course going to put the stickers on here. And I think I'm going to take my pages out as soon as I'm done here because it makes it way easier to decorate. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. This is what our snap covers look like for all the planners. This planner doesn't have that many pages in it. It's kind of like just my extra one, so that's why it's a little bit light. But this holds everything in by a snap. And so like you put it in your bag and nothing falls off. And this is the Mac original cover. And then here are the dividers that I also sell. They're laminated. And they're made out of cardstock and they're laminated. And then there's also papers that match the month. So like August, the papers look like this. And we have these in digital or in printed form too, for every single month. So let's get back to August, okay? I want to see how these stickers fit. So we're going to take the month of August out and the week that we are planning for. So like this. And the stickers that I think I'm going to try this week are because they're the ones that I planned with on my last video where people were asking if I was going to be selling them, are these right here. Now there is a sheet that has these really big ones, and then there's a sheet with medium-sized ones, and then there's a sheet with a mixture, Of course not full. And then we get down to the small ones, which I think these will definitely fit in here. And then there's some boxes too, which it's going to be too big, but this sheet would work wonderful in here. But I'm thinking I might try these medium ones in here maybe. I do have a lot of the big ones left. Someone said that they thought it would be fun to try putting them down the middle. I think these just might be too big for down the middle even though. Yeah, I do. The medium ones might fit down the middle. I only have 5 of those left though, but we could take them and just fill in with the smaller ones. So if we stick this together like this and then go, now here I'm going to just cover this, so I could put a bigger one under that. I'm going to decorate. So hold on one second. Let's grab, what do I have? 4 big stickers left. These 2. So maybe we will switch this one a minute. Oh, that's pink. That's okay. Never mind. Just talking to myself here. Trying to figure this out with having stickers stuck on my fingers. I'm going to cover up this corner of this habit tracker because it's not really useful to me right now. And then put this one here. Maybe we have to punch holes, of course. I'll just kind of put this like so, just to cover more of that habit tracker. All right. This one's kind of big too. And we'll stick this one. Trying not to cover up my check boxes, but to also give myself enough room to write. Now, basically, you know, this would be an on-the-go planner. So if you use this as your everyday carry-all, is that what it's called, everyday carry? I think that you would definitely need to add more paper to it to write more things because there's not a whole lot of room in these little planners. But it would be great to use to bring with you. Look at it. Actually, that's enough stickers for the whole week. Look at that. It'll be great to bring with you, you know, so you know your appointments and things like that. Okay. Oh goodness. I'm gonna go back to this little page here. Use some of these small ones up. So let's cut this apart and cut this off and punch it up. So I just turn it over then and, you know, cut right down where they're joined. A smaller blue one. Just kind of want to stick this in here because it just needs a little more zhuzh in there. All right, so those work good on here. That's what I was basically trying to show you. And then, you know, then you just kind of like write your plans on here. Oh my goodness. I don't know why this keeps moving. This whole time you guys probably haven't seen that. And then I would add this in here to write my to-dos for the day or the week. You know, I could just keep a running to-do list. Like I need groceries, and then I could write down what I need for groceries. You know, I'd write my groceries to buy, and then things that I'd be thinking about, like I need to find an outfit to wear for Friday. That would be one thing I'd be thinking about. I want mani-pedi done before then. You know, things like that. So you just write extra things on this sheet. So that's one way to use my stickers down there like that. I should print it out some more pages so that we could have done more. But then I thought also I could decorate the month just a little bit to make it look cute with some of these. Just, you know, kind of follow the same kind of theme here. Now for these I will get out my single punch, I think, because I don't think I need them. I'm not going to put the big ones on. But these you could just kind of sporadically put them down. Page there, and then obviously you're going to want to write over here, but we can add one in the corner. Rip this one a little teeny bit, so let's put that over here. Cut that one off. I can fit another one. Maybe that look cute over here, maybe. Let me see. Can just put a little piece of one there. And like down here we could put more of one. Okay, this is a crocodile. It just punches out single punches, and you take this and you line up the open one. So this one's open. I need the one next to it punched. You line it up like that, and then it punches. So that worked better than the pulling out the big hole punch. I would have gotten them a little straighter than if I would have used this. I wouldn't want to do like a, oops, that one's not straight. Okay, so you can still make mistakes with that one too. But these mushroom punches are kind of forgiving. So then there goes that for the month. Of course, I need to write things in here too. I have a whole month's worth of stuff. Okay, those are the main things that I need to know are going on this month in order to carry this with me. And then over here I can keep like a shopping list or things like that. I wonder if I can fit any more of these on here. Okay, well there's giving you some ideas on how to use my new stickers that are in my shop. So here's what it looks like the month done with my pages that I also sell. And then here's what a week looks like with the extra sheet in here, which could also hold a sticker, right? We could put one of these stickers on here too to just make this look cute, to make it match. All right, so until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.